Honey jar filling, look capping and labeling machine manufacturer from Ahmedabad. Shiv Shakti Machtech, a renowned manufacturer from Ahmedabad, presents a highly efficient honey jar filling, look capping and labeling machine. This advanced system is designed to handle the complete packaging process for honey jars, ensuring precision, hygiene, and productivity. The servo-driven gear pump filling mechanism provides accurate, drip-free filling with adjustable speeds, making it ideal for honey's thick viscosity. The integrated look capping unit ensures a secure, airtight seal, enhancing product shelf life by preventing contamination. Complementing this is the automated labeling system, which delivers precise label placement, enhancing the product's appearance and brand consistency. This machine offers flexibility in jar sizes and is built for easy operation and cleaning, ensuring maximum efficiency in high-volume production environments.